Hello everyone, welcome to Austin Bina YouTube channel. My name is Austin and I'm a financial market trader, right? So very quickly guys, on this video, I want to quickly share the mistake I made in 2024 that almost ruined my forex trading career, right? So as simple as that, as the mistake is, it actually almost spoiled everything for me in 2024, right? But before I mention what it is, right? I want you guys to know that decisions determines destiny. Probably you have heard this before, but then I just want to remind you again. Your decisions determines your destiny. The decisions you make today is what is going to tomorrow you are going to your tomorrow is just a reflection of the decisions you made today, right? So it's better you if you make if you make quality decisions today, your tomorrow is going to have quality. Let me use let me so you're going to have a great tomorrow, right? A great future, right? So that's pretty much what I want you guys to know, right? So I made a decision in 2024 that actually almost ruined my life, not just my trading career, it almost ruined my life. And honestly, guys, it was back September, ending of September, I think not even September, October, November, yes, early November. That was when I decided to, I shifted, I left Forex. I just decided to just rest for a while and on resuming to resume back 2025. Now, I left because I had you if you guys really follow me very well, you will notice I've been dropping. Of course, I do record my videos, so you can check all of these. Most of these things I'm saying, I recorded many of these on my trades last year. 2024, I recorded almost all my the trades I took 2024. I recorded almost all of them on this channel. If you want to see them, I'm going to drop the link of the playlist on this video description, right? So that is it. Now, the mistake I made was leaving everything to focus fully on forex trading. Now, mind you, I was not profitable before I left everything before I left everything to focus in forex trading. In fact, that is the major problem. In fact, that's the root cause of all the challenges I went through in 2024. That's the root cause of all the challenges I went through in 2024. So, like I said, when I was introducing myself, I said I'm a crypto trader as well as a forex trader, right? So that crypto trading aspect, I've been a crypto trader for a while now, like say 4 or 5 years. I've been in the crypto industry and it has actually been helping me because I've been feeding myself. I've been doing a lot with this my crypto with the crypto, the profit I make in the crypto industry, and pretty much that's it, guys. So back then, before 2020, I started my sorry guys, I started my forest trading journey in 2022, December 2022. In fact, I actually did started 2023, but then by December 2022, I had already started studying. Right, I started studying 2022. I didn't even think about opening trades and all of that. I started studying right December 2022. So coming into 2023, I bought courses. I was actually working, but then I left that place. I left that place. I told the person that I wanted to focus on my crypto and also I wanted to learn forex too. So I stopped working and then I focused on crypto and then I was trading forex. So all through 2023, I actually focused more on forex. I really did not trade much of crypto, right? So because I just wanted to know this forex and I wanted to be profitable by all means, guys. By all means, I wanted to be profitable. So I was burning the candles. I was studying 2023. So coming into 2024, I was actually hoping that I was actually going to be profitable and but then I was doing well from January, February, March, April, May, let's say June. I was pretty much doing well. I was doing well in the sense that I actually did not lose account. I did not blow account. But then I would say I was a break-even trader. Let me use that word. I was break-even, right? So I was not withdrawing profit and I was also not losing. So the thing was, I was making profit. However, I was also losing my profit. That's actually what happened to back to me during January, February, March, April, May, and June. Now, coming into July, something happened, guys. So all this while I was doing well, right? I would say I was actually doing well. That's just the truth, right? If it was though I did not really take trade much, I can't really remember if I traded personal account. But I think if I traded personal account, I didn't lose my money. I think if I maybe I withdrew, although I can't really recall. But then I know I was, because the one I recorded was this pro firm I was trading, right? The pro firm I was trading, that one I recorded it for you guys. So I was pretty much okay because I was doing my crypto, I was trading my crypto, I was also trading forex, right? So the prayer was not there. In fact, the major thing was prayer, right? I was prayer. That's actually what made me to make a whole lot of series of mistakes. But this one mistake, right, which is leaving everything to focus into forex trading when while I was not profitable, right? So that's actually what led to all other mistakes, right? That I'm going to list later on this video, right? So I stopped trading forex and crypto, and then I focused fully on forex. So July, August, September, October to October ending, right, guys? It was a bitter, right? It was bitter. Why? I was solely focused in forex trading. I left everything I was doing. I focused in forex trading. I was not profitable. I was hoping if I wanted to be profitable 2024 by all means, right? So now what that led me into, first, I got emotionally attached to my trade. That was one what it led me into. I got emotionally attached to my trade. You know, being emotionally attached to your trade is a very bad thing, right? So that's one thing we have to, as traders, we really have to work on, right, on ourselves. If you find yourself being emotionally attached to your trade, something is wrong. You should work on yourself. That's actually what that led to, being emotionally um attached to my trade. And another thing that led to was another mistake I also made. I won't really say, but what this led to, this one mistake, what it led to was that I now became a scalper. I started using a scalping strategy, right? But normally for me, I'm actually not that kind of person. It's not my personality. Scalping, no, not Austin, right? So I'm not. It's not my person to be taking scalping trade and using 1 minute time frame, 2 minutes time frame to be trading. No, but then I was using 1 minute time frame for my entries. It was really bad. That is not how I was supposed to go. But it was really bad because I wanted to be getting many trades, as many trades as possible by all means. I can remember I had to increase my maximum loss, right, per day. I increased it, of which I was not supposed to do that. And also in a particular setup, I will give myself, like, I will have to make two attempts. If the first my first entry e fails, I will try to take another entry again. That's actually not bad, but then it actually did not go well for me, right? So it didn't go well for me. It's better if I take my first entry. It does not If it does not go well, I leave the setup gently and go and rest, because that one led to a big, like, messed me up. If you watch the last episode I made on trying to pass to grow from $0 to $500 in funding, that if you check my playlist, you're going to find that. If you check that last video, you're going to, everything I'm telling you now, you're going to find out, yes, that is true right there, because I became very emotional, right? So another thing that also happened, that this one mistake led to, was that I was changing a lot of strategies, right? So I did not trade and change a lot of strategies, but I think I used like three strategies 2024. The first one I was using was not that profitable. It was not that, it didn't have much win rate, right? So it had about, let's say, 30% win rate. But it was, in fact, that helped me more because I was doing other things and then I was using the strategy. Although I didn't make withdrawals, but then I was consistent, right? So that's actually the difference. I was consistent with even what I was doing. Just a little shift, I would have been very profitable in 2024, right? So I changed strategy, and then move to another strategy, and then later move to another strategy. But then the last strategy I moved to is the same strategy I'm using in 2025, all through 2025, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. And total for throughout 2024, I think I lost three profile accounts. I lost three profile accounts. People will be wondering, I really did not lose much. And that's true. I really did not lose much because I'm very conservative. That's just one thing about me. I'm very conservative, and that's why when I now started taking much more risk, it really affected me because that's not my personality, right? So I'm very conservative with my risk. So that's why losing an account is very difficult. I drew throughout 2024. I think I funded my personal account and I did well, pretty much good in 2024. I think I did better on my personal account than in Profem, right? In 2024. But then because even when I funded this account, I was conservative with them. That is just the simple truth, right? So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. These are the mistakes I made. I wanted to add another one, but that one is not that significant. It's not that important. That changing peers. But the truth is actually that's actually did not really affect it that much. But the truth is sticking to one pair is a good thing because from January to June I was consistent. I stuck to trading GBP USD, and then the times that ruined that almost ruined my life, I was trading good. God, like I was trading good, so that I don't know if I should even return to good, but that gold wasn't actually the problem. Gold is actually very easy to trade. That's the truth because while I was trading, I figured some ways I could actually trade gold profitably, right? So I was much more of the problem because you know one thing about trading, guys, we don't trade the market. We are actually trading ourselves. So our result is a reflection of our personality, who we are. That's what our trading result is. So personally, trading, even though I've not really made money in trading, but trading has taught me much more a lot in life. From 2023, when I started trading, guys, I can tell you my life has changed. Like my life has changed. Not even because of finances, but because if you look at it's a disciplined environment, right? I learned to be disciplined, very disciplined because I started trading forex. And a lot of things, learning how to plan, a lot of things, right? So trading, forex trading for me is actually a blessing to me, right? Although I've not really made money, but I've actually gained a whole lot from trading forex. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's just what I want to say. And I want to officially welcome you all to 2025. Guys, this year is going to be great. This year is going to be great. In case you are not part of our Telegram community, I'm going to drop the link on this video description, right? So make sure you join, right? So see you guys on our Telegram community because I'm going to be dropping updates back to back when I officially resume trading forex. Although I have started taking trades, I started taking trade late last year, but then that's for forward testing, still trying to work on myself and also work on my system, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all.